Hello and welcome back to my channel. Is again Nenye. I hope you all are doing great, my lovely people. Please take good care of yourself and stay safe wherever you are. So guys, today we're gonna be making a Nigerian party jollof rice. This video is gonna be a cook with me video. You have to bear with me because it's gonna be a little bit lengthy. Let's get started, guys. So guys, here are the ingredients I'll be using in today's recipe. Here I have 2 kilos of goat meat. You can use any meat of your choice, turkey, chicken, cow meat, anyone, you can use it. So today I'll be using this goat meat to prepare the party jollof rice. 14 cups of golden Sela basmati rice, 10 pieces of red bell pepper, 3 pieces of sweet pepper. Guys, I always like to mix both of them together because it tastes really good. And 3 pieces of scotch bonnet pepper. You can adjust it to your own taste. Here I have 25 pieces of fresh tomatoes. I always like to use more of fresh tomatoes anytime I'm preparing my jollof rice. So guys, here is the tomato paste we are going to be using. Gino tomatoes. I'll be using 300 grams of tomato paste. What I have here is 800 grams, so I will take some from it and put the rest in the fridge. So that is it. Here is the vegetable oil we are going to be using. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So this seasoning is the one I will use to fry the stew. Here I have 3 tablespoons of coconut spices. Guys, here is the spices I'm using. I'm using coconut spice. This spice tastes really good in jollof rice, I'm telling you. And here I have 1 tablespoon of curry, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 8 pieces of garlic clove, 1.5 ginger, 9 pieces of star cube, 8 leaves of bay leaf, 2 tablespoons of thyme. So here are the seasoning I will use in frying the stew. And this seasoning is the one I will use to boil the meat. Here I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 bay leaf, 3 tablespoons of coconut spices, 2 red onions, 1 tablespoon of curry, 2 star cube, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 ginger. So here are the seasoning I will use in boiling my meat, guys. Let's get started. I'm going to cut these onions into smaller sizes and put it into the blender. I will use this one to boil the meat. I also cut this one. Put all the onions, the chopped onions, in here. Add water, guys. After that, you cover it. Guys, take a pot and put the goat meat. I've already washed it with hot water, so I'll go ahead and add in the blended onions into it. I'll also add in the seasoning. There's the thyme, coconut spices, 2 star cubes. Adding everything, guys. So guys, right now we'll leave it to boil for 1 minute so that it will bring out its own stock. Cover up the pot. Guys, I'll go ahead and remove the paprika seed. Guys, after that I will chop it into small sizes. So I also wash the tomatoes, the fresh tomatoes. Guys, I always like to use more fresh tomatoes in my jollof rice because of my kids. So that is it, guys. Done with this. Let's check on the meat. After 1 minute of boiling, this is how it looks. As you can see here, it generated some stalks here. So I'll go ahead and add more water into it. I added water into the blender that I used to blend the onions, so pour it into the pot right away. You have to add a lot of water to your taste because this is what you are going to use to cook the jollof rice. So cover up the pot and allow it to cook until the meat is soft. So right now I'm going to go ahead and chop up all the tomatoes and the bell pepper. So guys, I'm done with the tomatoes. Right now I'm chop up the red bell pepper and the sweet pepper. And after that I will chop up the onions, the one I will use to blend it and the one I will use to fry the stew. After that I'll chop up the one I will use to fry the stew. So guys, take a bowl and put the tomato paste in it. I want to prepare everything at once. So what I need for this recipe is just 300 grams of tomato paste. And in here is 800 grams. So this one is okay. I'm okay with this one. I'm going to put the rest in the fridge. Right now I'm going to add a little water in it. The reason why I'm doing this is just to bring the consistency to match with the tomato puree. And this will equally prevent burning while frying it. You can as well fry it the way you want, but this one I prefer doing this. Perfect. I like it this. So next, let's check on the meat. So guys, after 15 minutes of cooking, as you can see, meat is done. Right now I'm going to take it out and sieve out the water. Right now I'll go ahead and sieve out the meat stock. As I'm going to use the same blender to blend the rest of the things. I'm going to add in small water. So guys, right now pour the half of the blended tomato into the bowl and then you use the rest to blend in tomatoes and the paprika. Guys, I'll pour the half of the blended tomato here again. Keep doing it this way until you finish blending all. Right now heat up a pan and then you pour in the vegetable oil. first I'm going to use the oil to fry the meat. So guys, I'll go ahead and stir it out. After frying this meat, I'll still use the oil to fry the stew. So that is it. So guys, everything is done. As you can see here, so I will take it out immediately. You want some? As after frying the meat, I'll go ahead and add curry. Adding curry. I'll also add in onion. So stir it up, guys. After a minute of frying, I'll go ahead and add in the tomato paste. So guys, leave it to fry until the tangy taste is no longer there. Keep stirring it so that it will not burn up. This takes 3-4 minutes to get. So guys, as you can see, everything is now done. See it here? Look at it, guys. Yeah, it's done. So I'll go ahead and add in the tomato puree. Yep, let me take this. I have to take it easy here. Yeah, perfect. So guys, stir to mix all of them together. Wow, look at how delicious. So this will take like 15 to 20 minutes to get ready. So cover up the pot. I'll be checking it time to time. So guys, let's check on the stew. Right now, I'll go ahead and add in the spices. So I'll add in the bay leaf. I have bay leaf, thyme, star cubes, curry, coconut spices, all-purpose seasoning, salt. So I have to add everything now together. After adding the spices, stir in the spices very well. Stir it very well so that all the ingredients will be well combined. Perfect. So cover up the pot and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. Now go ahead and wash the rice. Add in some salt. You have to wash it until the water is clear, and this is to wash out the starch too. Oops, I'm using warm water to wash it. So guys, as you can see, the water is clear now, so I'll go ahead and sieve out the water. So guys, now let's check on the sauce. Wow, this looks really good. So right now I'll take out some and then I'll add in the rice. So guys, I'll go ahead and add in the rice now. But you have to stir all together to mix everything. Stir it up, guys. Guys, after that I'll go ahead and add in the meat stock, and that's this. You don't have to add it at once, guys. Okay, guys, I'm adding the meat stock. So guys, look at how delicious this thing look. I'll add more. You have to add a little at a time, guys. Good. So guys, right now you have to cover up the pot and allow it to cook for 20 minutes on a medium heat. Guys, the water is slightly above the rice and this is what we want. So guys, let's check on the rice now. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to turn it. After that, I'll go ahead and cover it with the foil. So now cover up the pot and allow it to simmer for 20 more minutes. Check it after 20 minutes. Let's check it. So guys, this is like 20 minutes later, guys. This is how it looks. After mixing all of them together, I will still cover it up with a foil. It's still remaining. I'll allow it to steam for more 10 to 15 minutes and our rice will be ready, guys. Let's check it out. Wow. This looks really delicious, guys. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing it? Oh my goodness. This has been steaming for like 50 minutes now. As you can see here, the rice is done. So I'll go ahead and add in butter. This will make it to shine a bit. Stir in the butter. Mix all together. This is delicious, guys. Look at this. Ooh. Also add onions to it. Mix everything together, guys. Look at that, guys. Just look at this. It looks so delicious. So guys, it looks so delicious, guys. Ooh. So guys, I'll just cover it up again. I'll allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. So guys, after steaming on a medium heat on a total of 1 hour 5 minutes, our party jollof rice is ready. So guys, this is how I prepare my party jollof rice. As you can see, this is delicious. It looks so delicious. Look at it, guys. Look at how delicious it looks. Wow. This one will go down with smut. More taste, smut. Oh my goodness, this is delicious, guys. Can you see it? So guys, if you have found this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video out. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay safe wherever you are. Always have in mind that you're wonderfully and fearfully made by God, so there's no need of you fearing about one thing or the other. Love you. Bye bye.